If you are tired of having your dreams and goals and never seeing them actually become a reality, and you feel like your dreams are always so far away and you want to experience them now, or you've created a vision and you are struggling to manifest it, you're stuck on the how-to thoughts, then this video is a game changer for you. You are going to learn why most people never manifest their dreams and the number one principle to overcome your manifestation blocks to actually manifest your vision. My name is Aaron Timms and I am the creator of Conscious Success, a training and coaching academy teaching people who are passionate about making a difference to become spiritual millionaires. A spiritual millionaire is someone who becomes a millionaire by fulfilling a spiritual mission. And we do this through our super conscious creator process. Okay, so I'm going to dive straight in at the deep end here and tell you why most people never actually manifest their visions. Are you ready for this? The reason is because they create visions based on who they believe they are and not who they really are. Meaning it's not their vision. It's not a vision they really want. The truth is, if you really want something, you will always find a way to get it or make it happen. True or true? So let me explain what I mean here. It's important that you understand this principle properly. Most people believe they are their personality or identity. The truth is, you are a spiritual being who owns many identities. You are not your mind, you are not your body, and you are definitely not your personality, or in other words, your identity. You see, here's the thing, if you create a vision without understanding this, the truth is, it's actually your identity that's creating the vision and not you. Most visions are not aligned with the soul, and that's why they are never manifested. Everybody is always consistent with who they believe they are. I'm going to say that again. Everybody is always consistent with who they believe they are. You want to write a book and speak on stages, sharing your book, but that's not me. I'm not a great speaker. You want to create a successful business and become a millionaire, but that's not me. I'm not a business person. You see, you must create a vision from a viewpoint that you are a super conscious creator and you can achieve anything. By doing this, you create a vision that aligns with your soul and you will always manifest your soul's desires. You, as the super conscious creator, are a powerful soul. Your soul is a powerful driving force when it is unleashed. True or true? So the secret to overcoming all of your manifestation blockages is simply to know who you are. So the big question is, who are you? Well, the answer is this. You is best defined as the spiritual being, the field of pure awareness, the life force, the super conscious being. All resistance to manifesting comes from an identity. The identity says, what if I fail? What will people say about me? I'm not good enough, I don't deserve it. I had my chance and I blew it. Can you see the common theme here in all resistance? It's focused on self, on identity creating lack and blockages, not the creation of the vision based on the truth. This principle that you can create anything as the super conscious creator you really are. So here's how to actually manifest your vision. Step number 1, remember who you are. The conscious creator capable of manifesting anything. Step number 2, start with the end in mind. Most people begin creating a vision by setting their short-term goals and building on those, and it's the wrong way round. We all overestimate what we can do in 1 year and underestimate what we can do in 10. This creates overwhelm and it blocks the creative flow within you. Create a 20-year vision that includes the inner experience you truly desire. That includes the tangible, measurable goals that you want to achieve, and it includes your contribution to the world as a result of achieving this vision. That's the part that brings your soul to life and ignites that powerful driving force within you. It's simple, right? So step number 3 is repeat this process for a 10-year vision. Repeat it for a 5-year vision and a 1-year vision and a quarterly vision or goals. Reverse engineer your true vision all the way back to your current reality. It's really that simple, but you don't know what you don't know, right? This simple yet profound principle literally changed my life, and within weeks, my dreams started to become a reality, and this can happen for you too. That's my promise to you. All you have to do is follow this simple process. So what did you learn most from this video? What is it that you are going to take away from it and actually implement in your life? Comment below, let me know. I would love to start a conversation with you. Thank you so much for watching this video. And remember, this success principle is enough to make you a super conscious creator who manifests your vision, literally turning your dreams into a reality. It's knowing who you are and creating a vision that is driven by your soul's desires. I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate your attention. And most importantly, I really appreciate your commitment to learning and to growing. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you.